Today we are going to learn about everybody's favorite math concept, fractions. I'm going to teach you an easy way to make equivalent fractions. What does equivalent even mean? Well, what word do you hear at the beginning of the word equivalent? Equal. Yes, equivalent is just a fancy term for equal. First, let's make sure you know what a fraction is. A fraction is an equal part of a whole. A fraction is written as two numbers, one on top of the other, separated by a bar. Sometimes slanted lines are used, but they mean the same thing. So we have the numerator. The numerator is the number on top of the fraction bar. This tells how many pieces of a whole you have or you're missing or whatever the case may be. The denominator tells you how many pieces the whole thing is broken into. Let's say we have some pizza. All three of these are a whole pizza. No matter if it is cut into halves, which is 2 pieces, quarters, cut into 4 pieces, or eighths, which is cut into 8 equal pieces. It's just, the pizzas are still a whole. Okay, I got really hungry and I ate half of the pizza. There were 2 pieces, so the bottom, which is the denominator, D down denominator, goes on the bottom. So the 2 would go on the bottom. And how many pieces did I eat? 1. So the 1 would be on top, the numerator. So the fraction of the pizza I ate would be 1/2, or 1/2. Let's find a fraction equivalent to 1/2. If my pizza was cut into 6 equal pieces and I ate 1/2 of the pizza, that means I ate 3 out of the 6 slices. This would be written as 3/6. So does 1/2 equal 3/6? Yes, but how do you know? Look at the fraction 1/2. Since we know that 3/6 is also half, we can say that 1/2 is equal to 3/6. But how did we get there? We multiplied the numerator by 3, and whatever you do to the top of the fraction, you have to always do to the bottom. Let's look at another example. Here, we can see that the pizza is cut into 4 equal parts. 1/4, or 1/4 of the pizza has been ate. Can you find a fraction that is equivalent? Now the pizza has been cut into 8 equal parts. How much has been ate? We put the missing part over the total number of pieces in the whole, and we have 2/8. Remember, what we do to one side of the fraction, we have to do to the other. 1/4 and 2/8 are equivalent. Can you think of another fraction that is equivalent to 1/4 if the pizza is cut into 12 equal parts? You may pause the video to give you more time to work if you would like. So what did you multiply the 4 by to get 12 equal parts? 3. Since we multiplied the bottom, or the denominator, by 3, then we also must do the same to the top. Are these fractions equivalent? Yes, good job. Now you are ready to find equivalent fractions.